Hello, so I thought I'd pop on quickly and just share with you what's arrived in the post. And I think this will go really nicely with the Gaia Tarot and with the Messenger Oracle that I took delivery of a couple of weeks ago. And this is Forest Fae. It's a tiny little deck in this nice little small box. Okay. Sorry, those are my cockatiels deciding to talk because I'm talking. And it says, enter the forest, seek wonder and enchantment, and hear the curious message of the Forest Fae. This set of 40 magical cards invites you to delight in your imagination and spark joy and inspiration. Go beyond the boundary between this world and that, to escape your way into the forest and to magic. Does that sound lovely? And inside it says how to use the cards. Sit quietly and breathe deeply. Shuffle the deck while thinking of a question, or just ask the Fae for guidance. Choose a card at random and discover what messages the Forest Fae have for you. Perhaps the answer will be clear, or maybe they will ask more questions before they answer. Or maybe they will ask more questions before they answer. Such is the way of the Fae. So, what do we have? As you see, they are very small, lovely small deck. And we have the Soothsayer, travel the road seldom taken. So that's the back of the card. You can see it there. And this is the image of the Soothsayer. Sorry, I'm sitting on my sitting room floor at my coffee table because my computer is inaccessible with the contents of the shed all around it at the moment. Then we have the Greenwood, seek comfort and acceptance to being kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself, not to being kind. Be kind to yourself. The Old One, the ancestors call, seek their wisdom. The Green Maid, the green Fae speak to you, let them guide you to safety. The Mandragora Mother, find the secrets hidden in the brambles. The Mandrake, the Mandragora. The Wild God, go to the woods, to moss, to mud, to magic. Every time I speak, the bird crows, makes its noise. Stop it. Don't be cheeky. The Forest Walker, keep courage, be gentle. It's very gentle, doesn't it? The Silent One, watch the shifting shadows, be caretaker of silence. They have been silent all day, until I decide to come on and show you the cards. I do love them though. A budgie and two cockatiels. The Green Man, embrace your wildness. The Witch Hare, cross the threshold, leap the hedge, go over the wall. The Autumn Fae, go slowly and listen closely for the words of the tree spirit. The Troll Fae, follow the secret signs as treasures can be found where you least expect them. That's very true. Hedge Guardians, walk widdershins and seek the land under the hill. Seed spells, create your story. It is the most potent form of magic. It's very true. Fringe Dweller, see with eyes and heart wide open. The old paths. Walk in unknown territory to see a new perspective, to see from a new perspective. Come on. Lady of the Lost, give to others treasure life and all its magic. Do you want some? They're the cards, Sammy. You just wait there for me. Spiny sister, take pride in yourself. Do you like these cards? Do you like what I'm reading? I'm not getting any peace today, am I? Yes, my darling. Yes, I love you too. I love you. Right, you wait there. The griffin, be brave and fly above the clouds. Oh, you cheeky. And look, your paws are all soaking wet. It's been raining outside today, and he's decided to get himself all nice and wet and stamp all over my jeans. Will you stop, Sam? Will you stop? Will you stop? Oh, away we fly. Take the cloud roads. Delight in your imagination. He does make me laugh. He really does make me laugh. The gatekeeper, let go. All things are possible on the borderlands. I often call my gatekeeper in when doing my meditations and things. She of the mossy brae, not all things are as they seem. Trust in your intuition. The fairy harper, find the words to long forgotten songs and dance to the music in your soul. I am so sorry. What's that they say? Never work with children and animals. I've done both all my life and I end up in situations like this. The spell singer, cast spells of wonder and delight. The sentinel, new opportunities shall manifest in unexpected ways. Mandrake spirit, keep yourself rooted in the earth. Spring is coming, dream deep. Sam, what are you doing now? Sam, what are you doing now? Stop. The Numina, seek inspiration in twilight wanderings. Oh God, I can hear Sally coming through now. It's getting to be double trouble. The gnome of mushrooms and buttons, seek silliness and joy. They are wise teachers. That's how I feel right now. Hello. Sally, what's the matter with you? What's the matter with the pair of you today? Oh my God. I love you too. Oh my God, you're both mad. You're both soaking wet. Your paws are soaking wet. You're mad. Yes. Oh. Yes, honey. Oh, I do apologise for this. Oh, I'll just carry on. But I'm being lit to death here. Oh, don't touch the cards. And don't touch my Rubik Cube. Oh, okay, Sam, I'm here. I'm here. Oh, okay, baby. Right. Sam, God, stop laughing. I'm so sorry. Richard, calm down. What is it? Oh my God, you have me laughing. Stop, stop. I'm going to have to re-record this whole thing. The Thimble Witch. There is magic in beginnings, so start something new. Oh, oh, I've got tears in my eyes from laughter. Sam, please, my arm's going to disappear. Seek love, connections, and cherish friendships. That's the spirit familiar. Keep going, trust in yourself, you have all that you need. It's very much like our strength card in the tarot. The Woodwife, trust your inner wisdom. Again, that's almost like our High Priestess and things, do you know? I do apologise, it seemed to have calmed down now. I don't know what's got into them today. We haven't had rain for a long time and it was a full moon last night, so I would say that could possibly have something to do with it. And the fact that I just can't stop laughing. I've never liked this. Well, I am. At the most inappropriate times, I suppose. The Honey Mother. Sometimes the greatest magic lies in the smallest of forms. The Northwood Fae. Take time for hibernation and healing. Absolutely. That's definitely our Four of Swords. Strange journeys. Take control of your quest. Choose your companions wisely. Oh, and they are very wise words. What's that saying? If you have a best friend, treat her as such. For never let that friend know too much. For if that friend becomes a foe, around the world your secrets go. Forest Sister, the moon shines brightest after the storm. The Storyteller, stories are medicine, strengthening and renewing. There you go. Walker on the wind, the raven shows the way. Be courageous, change and chance can bring exciting wonders. We get loads of ravens on my bird feeder outside, and I'm trying to I put food out. They used to fly off straight away when I went out there. Now they're used to me, so I'm hoping that one day I'll have them eating out of my hand. Owl song, whisper secrets to the moonlight and strength. Find strength in stillness. And then finally we have the Green Witch. Connect to the spirits and energy of your local landscape. Seek enchantment. It's a beautiful card. The writing is a little bit small on them, but they are very small cards, so that's the only... It's not even a criticism. It's a difficulty that I would have to deal with. And I use a magnifying glass on some of my cards anyway. So, from me, from Sally, from Sam, from Jack and Jill, I renamed them, and from Shamrock, oh, and Fish in the Kitchen. Have a lovely afternoon. Take care.